Will you lose Allah's mercy, or is this applied to something else?
Yeah, the question is that somebody who makes dhikr in the masjid.
Making dhikr or dua or
yes.
talking.
Yeah.
If someone starts reciting Quran randomly, should you have to stay silent and listen attentively?
To the Quran itself.
Yes.
Well, the Quran in this masjid or any public place, it should not be recited in a way that would cause harm. Yes, the Quran can cause harm, and the Prophet called it adha. The Quran recitation called it adha. When it is being recited, like for example, a person who is ill and he wants to sleep, and you come to him saying, Inna Allah, he wants to sleep. You're really harming him. You're not helping him with your Quran recitation. He wants to sleep. He's an ill man. That's why the Sheikh Al-Albani, rahimahullah, he doesn't allow even the masjid to have the iqamah outside the masjid. The iqamah is supposed to be in the masjid. It's only the adhan. The adhan, Prophet made them to go out. But the iqamah is in. So out, up, yes, adhan. Let's say, for example, and also, the Sheikh doesn't allow the recitation on the speaker, which is out. It's inside, yes. You know, in our countries, they put it in the, the mega speakers on the minarets. You could hear the Quran, and even the masjid next to a masjid, okay? The Quran will be, I used to, last time when I went to Ramadan, I led the Taraweeh there, prayer. And when we have, nice weather during the evening, the last Ramadan, mashallah, nice weather. So they open the windows. And there is a masjid, wallahi, I would say maybe at least more than half a mile between me and them. But there's empty land. Okay? And that person is putting that masjid, the Imam, which I know him, his Quran, his recitation on the speaker. So when he recites, it's in my masjid here. I have to follow his melody. Do you understand? I have to follow his melody. And then I know his phone number, the Imam. I'm ringing him. And he's not answering. I rang somebody else, he's not answering. I said, brothers, please, can you just lock all the windows? We put the AC on, and we locked all the windows. The following day, I went to his masjid. And I led in his masjid. I said, don't you ever dare to put that, the button. There's a click there, makes the sound is outside. It's not loud. He said, wallah, I don't do that. Well, somebody had done it. Because your recitation is in my masjid. All we have to do is just put like this and listen to you. So we say to that person, don't recite loudly. If he recited loudly and you want to do your dhikr, okay, you can't do your dhikr, can you? Because you can't focus. So you tell that person, brother, recite loud. So we say to the brothers in this masjid, please, and that's why I put it there. Was it there as well? Let's see there. Please, no, it's not. There's no space for it. Before it was,
to lower the voice.
Yeah, lower your voice when you recite. I put it there because of you. Not you as in those people who are complaining about loud recitation. So recite to yourself. If this masjid is empty, recite loudly. And the Prophet of Allah, one day he was in the house of his, he was ill, and the recitation became between the companions, and it was loud. And so the Prophet opened the window and he said, إِنَّكُمْ لَا تَدْعُونَ أَصَمًّا وَلَا غَائِبًا. You're not going to call upon somebody who's deaf or somebody who's not present. You're not calling someone, he can't hear you, whether you are whispering or not. Why? لا يجهر بعضكم على بعض بالقرآن. No one is to recite over the other one with his recitation. And that's why we tell the brothers, well, in your prayer as well, don't read the Fatih like this next to your brother. You're going to annoy him. He's going to read with you. He's not going to stop reading. So if you want to read himself, he has to go louder than you. Alhamdulillah, because he can't focus. So you should not be reciting loudly. So if that happens, I would say go away from him. Okay? And do your adhkar away from him. If he doesn't want to listen. But to say that I have to listen to him, no. Don't have to listen to him. No. تفضل.